How to get best Jarir discount promo codes. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you where and how you can get the best discount promo code on Jarir. So of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do before you go ahead and add any specific items that you think that you'd like on Jarir bookstore, you just want to have to create or open up your preferred web browser and then go into this website that's gonna be everysavingksa.com. Once you hit on enter, you should be able to be redirected here. Locate the search box and then type in Jarir, usually located at the first result. So as you can see, there are a lot of options from here like coupons, discount codes, and a specific amount of, for example, get 10% off selected items with this Jarir discount e-card. Choose on the specific discount you would like to have and choose on get coupon, copy that unique code and paste it into Jareer's official site. And that is how you find the best Jareer discount code.